A wise old man was sitting at the riverbank. He saw a cat that had fallen into the water. It was flailing around trying to save itself from drowning, so the man decided to save the cat. He stretched his hand out but was scratched by the cat. He pulled his hand back in pain. However, a minute later, he stretched his hand out again to save the cat, but it scratched him again, and again he pulled his hand back in pain. Another minute later, he was yet again trying for the third time. A man watching nearby yelled out, "Oh, wise man! You have not learned your lesson for the first time, nor the second time, and now you're trying to save the cat for a third time?" The wise man paid no heed to the other man and kept on trying until he managed to save the cat. He then walked over to the man and patted his shoulder, saying, "My son, it is in the cat's nature to scratch, and it is in my nature to love and have sympathy. Why do you want me to let the cat's nature overcome mine? My son, treat people according to your nature, not according to theirs, no matter what they are like, and no matter how numerous are their actions that harm you and cause you hurt sometimes. And do not pay heed to all the voices that loudly call out to you to leave behind your good qualities, merely because the other party is not deserving of your noble actions. Never regret the moments you gave happiness to someone, even if that person did not deserve it, and suffice in the fact that you have a Lord who will reward you for good with good. Is the reward for good anything but good?
All I'm trying to do is to encourage you, inshallah, to encourage you to say, let's do something about it.